Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. When I start a new artwork or mandala, most of the time I have a vague picture in my mind. I imagine it in my dreams, or maybe the design just pops up in my mind during meditation. I keep thinking of a color scheme and try to fill the colors in that vivid picture. Sometimes I think about that picture for days together, and then one fine day I pick up a canvas or any base and start the process of bringing that imagination, a dream, into the reality. As most of my art pieces are mandalas, this art form comes naturally to me. I just pick up a base and give it a coat of gesso, then mostly a dark colored background. Next most important part is to choose the colors. I think I love all the colors, but I normally favor blue. So sometimes I deliberately don't choose blue. It depends on my mood too. Sometimes I use so many colors in one artwork that it feels like rainbow. And sometimes I just use one color with different shades. Most of the time things go well, but sometimes things don't go as planned. Just like life, my artwork also takes different directions and I just go with the flow. Enjoying the process is my priority. I just keep going and it feels like design is unfolding in front of me. Those times I enjoy the process of unfolding more than anything. I feel that I am there in this process of creating and taking part in it passively. Sometimes I feel like I am watching myself working. It feels amazing to get my hands drenched in colors. Trying different shades and combinations is so satisfying. Results are different and amazingly satisfactory. I just stare at that piece of artwork and admire it and be grateful that I have all these things that I could create something beautiful. I have these working hands, eyes to see, and this passion to create something that others also can enjoy. I hope you are liking this piece that I am creating now. I love how it is coming along. These golden lines and dots are forming this beautiful mandala. Admiring your own work is also very important. We are often most critical about our own work. This helps us improve ourselves, but sometimes we need to look at our own work without criticism and just admire its beauty through a child's eyes. Self-love can boost our spirits the most. So let's enjoy this beautiful meditative art. Don't worry about the small mistakes. Just go on and finish what you have started and feel proud of your own achievements. Every day is a new day. Begin something new. Let's be grateful of each new day and create something new. I hope you are enjoying this artwork so far. I'll see you in the end of this video. Keep watching.